this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today I have got this gel set for you today from Voxury. I think that's how you say it. It's UV LED Soak Off 8-piece kit, 6 ml, 0.2 fluid ounces. This was sent to me. I've had this probably at least a week. I put a picture up on Instagram asking who sent this to me. Come to find out, it was Rosalind. It's a gel polish company. They sent me this to review. She contacted me back by email and she goes, it says that you've received the product. And I'm like, I didn't receive nothing that says Rosalind on it. So I sent her a picture of this product. And I go, is this what you sent me? And she said yes. So, we're going to swatch it out today. We're going to do this little unboxing because it's a little box. We're going to swatch it out. I like the print on the box, so it's kind of cool. So we're going to, oh, I ripped the box already. Good Lord. So this is by Voxury. Nail Gel Polish Instruction Guide. Oh, these are little. Shows you here how to remove. Also has the same instructions on the back of the box. Here are some Q&As, which is always good to do. It tells you clean your nail, push your cuticles back, trim your cuticles, trim and file your nails, apply your base coat, cure, 2 coats of color, cure, top coat, cure, and you'll be done. So let's pop these puppies out. Yeah, these are some little skinny bottles. And it's alright, we're just reviewing. We've got some colors, and I'm assuming a base and top coat. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. Okay, maybe 8 colors. Uh-oh. So you can see on the sides of the bottles, it shows you the colors. Whoopsie. Whoops. My Gorilla paws aren't big enough for 8 bottles of polish. But as you can see, the colors are on the sides. I thought there would be a base and a top coat, so my bad. Put those 2 swatch sticks back over here. So I need a base coat. Base coat off camera, so we will be back. Alright. Nails are back out of the oven. Base coat has been applied. On here it says cure 30 to 120 seconds. So in my lamp is, I think 120 watts. There's nothing on here. This is made in China. I don't know if you need to see this. This is from Amazon. So you can just look up this name brand here and come up with this 8-piece set. The numbers on the bottom of the bottles are random. I've got 2 5s, 2 12s, they're different colors. So I split them up into 4 to make this easier. This is number 1. This is a lavender. Whoopsie. I will be doing the second coats off camera. These are really pretty. Or this one is really pretty. I feel like I got something like a piece of hair on the nail. And I do. Oh my god. How disgusting is that? So let's try to fix these, or this. None of these. It's a 1. So, this is number 1. This is beautiful lavender. We'll put that on the lamp. This is number 5. One of the number 5s. They do have base coat on, but this is a really pretty blue. Definitely 2 coats. So like I said, I'll be doing the second coat off camera. Number 5. And second, this one should be a white. Ladies, remember you want your whites to be in the thinnest. Yeah, this is not, this hair is coming from the brush. This is not my operator error. But ladies, you want your white coats to be on as thin as possible so you don't get wrinkling. Very thin coats, so you do not wrinkle. I only apply for 30 seconds in the lamp. I will be putting all 4 of these in at the same time. This last one is, oh, this looks really pretty. Really pretty. Oh, it's a sparkly. Look at this, folks. Oh, this is beautiful. This reminds me of a disco ball. Like those polishes weren't pretty put out. Do this. Look how pretty that is. So we're going to pop these in the lamp, give these a 30-second cure. I will be doing second coat off camera, and we'll be back. Alrighty, we are back. We are fresh out of the lamp. Here are our first 4 colors. Here we go. These are the first 4 that we did. We've got 4 more to swatch out for you, so please stay tuned. This is 2 colors, base top coat. This is the glossy top coat. I love this color. I think that is so pretty. So pretty. So I'm going to leave those here. Set these bottles off to the side. We're going to come in with our next 4 culprits. These range from yellow, looks like another glitter, a mint, and a light pink. Oh, buddy. That was really, really tight. And I don't have a good yellow like this, so this is welcomed. And again, I will do second coats off camera. Apply your coats thin. There is our yellow. We'll go next to it. Oh my God. are pink. The first four were not hard to open whatsoever. These ones here are, wow. They are on super, super tight. With one hand, that's good. And then on the other, for my hands, that's not good. I don't have good strength in my hands anymore. This pink is super, super light. Super light. It's not self-leveling too well. Whoopsie. I'm gonna pop this into the lamp. The next one is the mint, which is on super tight. I don't know if you can hear my hands gripping on the bottle, but it's on really tight. There we go, this is our mint green. Popping her in the lamp. Our last should be our other, oh, this one was on tight. Just normal. Alright, alright, alright. Oh yes, we got another glitter. This is a silver hollow. Silver hollow. Beautiful. Who doesn't want a silver hollow, you know? I think this is just gorgeous. Sorry, I'm trying to get in frame here. I got my camera mirrored onto my tablet so I can see what I'm doing. Trying my best here to stay in frame. I have popped those in the lamp for a full, I'm giving them only a 30-second cure. And then I'm doing the second coat, top coating them, and we'll be back. Alrighty, we are back. Here are our 8 colors. I laid the bottles down that you could maybe see them better, or see the colors. Here are our last 4. Oh, my hand wants to cramp up. I think those turned out really, really cool. Loving the silver hollow. Here's our blue. Our white. Our pink hollow. And our lavender. So here's all 8 colors. I think these are, oh shoot. I'm loving the pink hollow. I think that's my favorite. That's gotta be my favorite, the pink hollow. So what do you think? Would you buy these? I mean, they are from Amazon. I don't know the price. I did look them up. And a set of 8 is ranging about $15, which isn't bad at all. I was not sure the price of this set. I'm not sure as of right now if I'm getting a discount code for my viewers. I emailed her back asking her these questions. Hopefully getting an answer before I edit the video. So I'm going to hold off on that. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the brand. Voxury. And the 8 colors that they have provided for me today. I think these are kind of cool. Loving that pink hollow. I think that is just gorgeous. I think that is just really beautiful. And I could definitely pull it off. I could definitely pull it off. Or the silver hollow, or the pink hollow. I think I would go with the pink for sure. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the brand, the colors, the swatching video. Subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways. Kind of messed them up a little bit here. But please subscribe. I am trying to build my channel. We're going to be having some giveaways, so we hope we get some new subscribers. Look for those videos. Check out this brand on Amazon, Voxury. I think they're pretty cool. I'm liking what I see so far. Hopefully there'll be more communications with them in the future. And check the description box in case there is a discount code. Have yourself a blessed day and thank you.